Hello everyone, we are back here with cardiovascular system. So cardiovascular system consists of cardiovascular system and the lymphatic system. First we are going to see what is cardiovascular system. Cardiovascular is the term made from two separate words, that is cardio and the vascular. What is cardio means? Cardio is the heart and the vascular means the blood vessels. It is the blood transportation network. It also transfers nutrients, oxygen, and waste. First, let us see about heart. What is heart? Heart is a muscular organ in the chest that pumps blood through network of blood vessels. Here is the diagram of the heart, which represent arteries, veins, atrium, and ventricles. Then there are blood vessels, which include arteries, which carries oxygen rich blood away from the heart, and there are veins which carry CO2 rich blood and waste product back to the heart. Hormones are the signaling molecules which allows communication between organ and organ systems. Then the blood helps to regulate the body temperature. In extreme cold, the blood vessels close to the skin constrict. This is the diagrammatic representation of the cardiovascular system, which include systemic circulation and the pulmonary circulation. Now let us understand how the cardiovascular system works. So it consists of two circulations, that is systemic circulation and the pulmonary circulation. Let us start with pulmonary circulation. Here the blood enters to the right atrium and then it passes to the right ventricle, and from right ventricle it enters right and left pulmonary arteries. These are the only arteries in the blood which have oxygen depleted blood, means they carry blood having less oxygen. Then it goes to the lungs. As you can see in the diagram, the blood goes to the lungs and it get oxygenated, and from there the systemic circulation starts. In systemic circulation, the blood enters the heart in left atrium through four pulmonary veins, and from there it goes to the left ventricle, and from left ventricle it goes to the aorta, and from aorta it goes to arteries, arterioles, capillary, and then capillary bed, where the exchange of blood fluids and the oxygen takes place. From there, the blood passes to the venules, then vein, and superior and inferior vena cava. The blood is passed to the right atrium again. This forms the complete circulatory system of the body. Then there is the anastomosis. Anastomosis is the joining. As we said here, the capillary bed is a type of anastomosis. So what are the type of anastomosis? There are arteriovenous anastomosis, where arteries and veins are connected. Then there are arterial anastomosis, where two type of arteries are connected. And then there is venous anastomosis. Then the most important is arteriovenous anastomosis, where the arteries and veins are connected, as you can see in the diagram, but there is no capillary bed. It is a direct connection of an artery to a vein. Then there are collateral circulation. When arterial and veno-venous anastomosis provide detour routes. Example, in some cases the main blood flow to the tissue get blocked. Then the blood flow is tra- is carried out by the collateral circulation, as you can see in the diagram. Example of this is the circle of Willis in the brain. Then there are functional terminal arteries. When there is a obstruction to the main artery, which may cause a tissue death, as you can see in the diagram. If there is a block but it is before the collateral circulation, then it is a terminal artery, as the blood do not reach to the tissue and it may cause a tissue death. Example of this is anterior spinal artery. Then there are true terminal arteries, when the blood vessel do not form anastomosis. Example of central retinal artery, where the blockage of this artery lead to the blindness. As you can see here, this artery supplies the retina of the eye, and there is no other bifurcation of this artery. So if there is a block in that artery, the blood supply of the retina is stopped, leading to the blindness. Then there is portal venous system circulation, when venous system connecting two capillary bed, as the example of this is hepatic portal venous system. The capillary bed of the digestive tract and the capillary bed of liver are connected, which helps liver filter the toxins before returning the blood to the heart. Okay, this is the overview of the circular system. Thank you.